Lakad po sila. Ang nangyari, napagod po ang Panginoon. Because He's a human flesh, napagod po siya. Ang sabi po ng Bible, Jesus, tired as He was from the journey, sat down by the well. And it was about noon. So mga hapon, mamaya pong alas 12. And then, maya-maya po, a Samaritan woman came and Jesus asked her for a drink. So syempre, ang role po kasi, usually noon, ang mga babae po ang nag-draw ng water mula po sa balon. So, yung Samaritan woman, pumunta po ng hapon, she drew water from the well, and Jesus Christ was sitting there. So, humingi siya ng tubig. Sabi niya, pwede mo ba akong i-spare ng cup of water? Nagulat po yung Samaritan woman. Sabi nung Samaritan woman, I am a Samaritan, you are a Jew, and yet you talk to me. Kasi mamaya ko i-explain kung bakit gano'n na naging tanong yung Samaritan woman. And then to cut the long story short, nagkaroon ng conversation si Jesus with the Samaritan woman na very unusual. And sa halagitnaan po ng kanilang pagkikwento, nagtataka po yung Samaritan woman, sabi niya, ginigiit niya, na sinasabi ng mga Hudyo na doon lang sa Jerusalem pwedeng magsamba. O doon lang sa Jerusalem pwedeng manalangin. Ganyan. Pero sabi ng Panginoong Jesus sa kanya, a time is coming and it's now here that the worshipers of the Lord will worship Him in spirit and in truth. Hindi mo na kailangan pumunta sa anumang bundok, sa anumang bulkan, kung saan mang lugar para magsamba, because the worshipers of the Lord will worship Him in spirit and in truth, because God is Spirit. Yun po yung nilinaw ng Panginoong Jesucristo sa Samaritan woman po na ito. Nagkaroon sila ng discussion. And then sabi ng Panginoon sa kanya, at the middle of it all, sinabi din ng Samaritan woman, Lord, will this really happen? I know that Messiah, when He comes, He will explain everything to us. And then Jesus Christ revealed Himself as the Messiah. Sa kalagitnaan po nun, sinabi ng Panginoong Jesucristo dun sa Samaritan woman, tawagin mo yung asawa mo. First, go and call your husband. Pero sabi ng Samaritan woman, I have no husband. Pero sabi sa kanya ng Panginoong Jesucristo, yes, you are right. You have no husband. The fact is, you have had 5 husbands, and the man you now have is not your husband. What you have just said is quite true. Kaya po siguro mag-isang pumunta yung Samaritan woman at that hour, kasi po, meron siyang background na hindi niya maisabi. Meron siyang 5 asawa. And the man she's living now is not her husband. Pero in the midst of it all, Jesus Christ still revealed Himself as the Messiah.